Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited for today's tutorial. I have another look using the ABH Riviera palette, and this is probably my favorite look that I did using the palette. I've already done 3 looks using this palette, but if you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just applying a nice even base, and it is really good for covering any uneven color and just really good for priming. It's actually my favorite thing to use for primer, and I do set it with a little bit of translucent powder. Jumping right into the palette, I am going into the shade Coastline, and I'm going in with this fluffy brush, and I'm just starting to map out the general shape of the look. So I am kind of winging out that outer corner. And then next I'm going into this dark purple shade in the palette and this angled brush, and I'm just going to start to map out the shape of our eyeshadow. So I am just drawing a line of definition in my crease and then drawing a line directly out of my lash line, and then making both of them meet on that outer corner. And honestly, drawing that out just really takes a lot of practice. There's really no tip on that. It's just kind of getting to know your eye shape. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and a little bit more of that Coastline eyeshadow. And I'm just going in left and right motions directly over top of where we mapped out that first line, and just kind of diffusing it. And we're going to build more color up on that outer corner. But first we need to diffuse those lines and just kind of make it nice and blended. So that's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm going into the shade here called Bahamas, which is like a really pretty neon pink shade. And I just decided to pop this onto my inner crease. So I'm just kind of diffusing that into the first half of my crease, and it just adds a really nice pop of color. And then going back into that small tapered brush, I'm picking up more of that dark purple shade, and I'm just kind of going in left and right motions over top of that line. And a tip for that is just to be really precise and just apply that shadow exactly where you want it, and start off with a little bit of product and then slowly build it. To carve my lid, I'm going into this Tarte Cosmetics Clay Pot eyeliner in the shade Unicorn Kisses and an angled brush. And then next I'm going into this metallic blue shade, and I'm just applying that all over where we applied the clay pot. And as you can see, applying that blue base just really helped this metallic blue really pop. This metallic blue eyeshadow in the palette is absolutely stunning. And then going back into my small tapered brush, I'm picking up more of that dark purple eyeshadow, and I'm just diffusing that onto the outer edge, making sure that it's the most pigmented on that very outer edge, and then dragging in whatever is left over on my brush. Next, I'm picking up my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, and I'm just drawing a line on my upper lashes. Then for lashes, I just applied my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. The link to check out those lashes will be in the description box down below. In my waterline, I'm just popping on this CoverGirl eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just applying the same shades that we applied in the crease. So first, smudging that Coastline shade. And as you can see, I did take that Coastline shade all the way out to the outer corner. Next, I'm going into the neon pink shade, and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line as well, getting it a little bit closer to my lower lashes. And then last but not least, I'm going in with that dark purple eyeshadow and this really flat brush, and just kind of smudging that on my lower lash line, and then going back into the first brush that we applied, Coastline, and just applying a little bit more and just merging all those shadows together. And then I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And this is the finished look. If you watched this video all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. And also guys, we have monthly giveaways here on our channel. So if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, then just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!